Good morning, students. So, as we are discussing chapter number 4 of class 10th, that is quadratic equations. In this chapter, we have completed up to exercise 4.2, and the previous video we have started next exercise, that is 4.3. So, as I told you, there are three methods by which we can solve quadratic equations. First method is factorization method. In this method, as I told you, we split the middle term. And second method is completing the square method. In the previous video, we have completed this method also. And third method is quadratic formula. And we have done quadratic formula also. So now we will continue exercise 4.3 and we can solve question by any one of the method, either by factorization method, by completing the square method, or by quadratic formula. Now come to the next question of exercise 4.3. Now come to the next question. Next question is question number 4. The sum of the reciprocals of Mohan's ages in years. 3 years from now ago, 3 years from ago, and 5 years from now is 1/3. Find his present age. Okay. So in the question of ages, we always assume present age of the person. जब भी एज के क्वेश्चन आते हैं तो हम उस पर्सन का प्रेजेंट एज मान लेते हैं कि प्रेजेंट एज उस पर्सन की क्या है. आफ्टर दैट we will go according to the question. So we don't know what is the present age. Let the present age of Mohan be equals to x years. Okay, x year हमने उसकी प्रेजेंट एज मान ली. So 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1/3. Okay, so Mohan's age before 3 years, that is x minus 3. अभी उसकी एज मैंने मानी है x, तो 3 years पहले x minus 3 हो जाएगी. और 5 years from now मीन्स आफ्टर 5 years, 5 years के बाद हो जाएगी x plus 5. Okay, so then 3 years ago, 3 years ago, that is equals to x minus 3, or we can write age of Mohan equals to x minus 3. Okay, and after 5 years, 5 years, age of Mohan equals to x plus 5. Okay, so before 3 years x minus 3, after 5 years x plus 5, एज मोहन की होगी. द सम ऑफ द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ मोहन्स एजेस. सो अगर रेसिप्रोकल के मीन्स होता है, मीन्स उसका अपॉन में लिख दें हम, जैसे कि ये 2 है. सो व्हाट इज द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ 2? दैट इज 1/2. 3 है, आपके 3 का रेसिप्रोकल लिखिए, दैट इज इक्वल टू 1/3. मीन उस वैल्यू को हम अपॉन में लिख देते हैं. और अगर अपॉन में है तो उसका हम ऑब्जेक्ट कर देते हैं. 1/2 का रेसिप्रोकल क्या हो जाएगा? 2. ओके, नाउ सम ऑफ द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ मोहन्स एजेस इन ईयर. 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1/3. मीन्स 1 एज ऑफ मोहन 3 years ago, x minus 3 है. इसका रेसिप्रोकल लिखूंगा तो 1/x minus 3 हो जाएगा. x plus 5 का रेसिप्रोकल लिखूंगा तो 1/x plus 5 हो जाएगा. इन दोनों का सम कितना है? दैट इज इक्वल टू 1/3. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन, according to the quotient. So 1 upon x minus 3 plus 1 upon x plus 5 equals to 1 upon 3. Okay, now again take LCM. So x minus 3 multiply by x plus 5. See, denominator में both the value are different, so we just multiply the both the value to calculate LCM. So x minus 3 multiply by x plus 5, जब different value होती हैं so हम उनको multiply कर देते हैं तो LCM कैलकुलेट हो जाता है. So this multiply by this multiply by this, so x plus 5 multiply by 1, so 1 से किसी का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करते हैं उतना ही आता है. सो x plus 5 इट सेल्फ, यहाँ प्लस है 1 का मल्टीप्लाई फिर x माइनस 3 से करेंगे, दैट इक्वल्स टू x माइनस 3 इक्वल्स टू 1 अपॉन 3. ओके सो x प्लस x दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 2x and plus 5 minus 3 minus plus 2 is remaining, 2x plus 2. Now x multiply by x, that is x square. X multiply minus 3, this is minus 3x. Okay, 5 multiply by x, this is 5x, and 5 multiply minus 3, that equals to minus 15 equals to 1 upon 3. Okay, so 2x plus 2 upon x square plus 2x minus 3x plus 5x plus 2x is remaining minus 15. So 2x plus 2 upon x square plus 2x minus 15 equals to 1 upon 3. Okay, now we will do cross multiplication. 3 multiply by this value and this value multiply by this value. So 3 multiply by 2x plus 2 equals to 1 multiply by this. तो सेम वैल्यू आती है, 1 का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करते हैं तो एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 2x माइनस 15. So 3 2 जा 6x, 3 2 जा 6 equals to x square plus 2x minus 15. Now take this value from LHS to RHS. x square plus 2x minus 15, ये 6x प्लस का इधर का माइनस का हो जाएगा, ये प्लस 6 है ये माइनस 6 हो जाएगा इक्वल्स टू 2. ओके, so minus 6x plus 2x minus 4x is remaining, x square plus 4x, सॉरी माइनस 4x, नो नॉट 4 प्लस 4x, ये नेगेटिव वैल्यू ज़्यादा पॉजिटिव वैल्यू कम है. सो एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 4x माइनस 15 minus 6, that equals to minus 21 equals to 0. Okay, so we got quadratic equation. Now we can solve this quadratic equation by any one of the method. So I am going to solve this question by quadratic formula. So here x equals to 1, sorry, a equals to 1, not x, this is a. What is the coefficient of x square? That is a equals to 1, b equals to minus 4 and c is equals to minus 20. Coefficient of x is minus 4 and constant term is minus 20. Okay, so apply quadratic formula. On applying quadratic formula. Okay, so we do know that quadratic formula is x equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2. Okay, so x is equals to minus b, so minus 4, b is minus 4 plus minus b square, so square of minus 4 ac, 4 multiply by a is 1 and c is minus 21. Okay, so upon 2a, so 2 multiply by a is 1, 2 multiply by 1, So x equals to minus multiply of minus, so this is 4 minus multiply minus plus, so this is plus 4. Okay, plus minus अगेन नेगेटिव वैल्यू का स्क्वायर पॉजिटिव होता है, 4 4 जा 16 here plus this is plus minus and this is also minus, so minus multiply minus, this is plus plus 21 4 जा 84. okay, 84 1 जा 84. okay, so plus 84, 2 multiply 1, that is 2 itself. okay, so now 4 multiply plus 4 plus 6 0, 1 is carry, 4 plus 6 that is 10, 4 plus 6 10, 1 is carry, 8 plus 1 9, plus 1 10. okay, means 100, this value is equals to 100. 84 plus 16 equals to 100. so 4 x equals to plus minus x equals to 4 plus minus under the root 100 upon 2. okay, so what is the square root of 100? that is equals to 10. how? 10 multiplied by 10, 1 pair, so 1 10 is come out from the root. okay, so x is equals to, one time we take positive, one time we take negative, so 4 plus 10 upon 2. here we can write 4 plus minus 10 upon 2. okay, so this is 4 plus 10 14 upon 2 and 2 7 is 14, so one value of x that is equals to 7. now we take negative, so 4 minus 10 upon 2. okay, plus minus 6 is remaining upon 2 minus 3, so x equals to minus 3. so we assumed the present age of Mohan is x here. so we got two values of x, first is 7 and second value minus 3. so age of a person cannot be negative, नेगेटिव नहीं हो सकती एज कभी भी. सो व्हाट इज द प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ मोहन, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 7 years. so we can write age of a person cannot be negative. okay, so x equals to minus 3 is not possible, then present age of Mohan equals to 7 years. okay, so मोहन की प्रेजेंट एज क्या हो जाएगी 7 years. So next question is question number 6. The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. If the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side, find sides of the field. okay, so there is a field that is rectangular is in shape. okay, and it is given in the question that diagonal is the 60 meters more than its shorter side. As we know that in rectangular there are 4 sides. okay, 2 are shorter sides and 2 are longer sides. Let us suppose P, Q, R, S is a rectangle. Here as we can see that P, Q and RS are the longer side, and we say these sides are length. okay, पी क्यू और आर एस क्या है यहाँ पे लेंथ है क्योंकि ये लॉन्गर साइड है, और पी एस एंड क्यू आर जो है वो यहाँ पे शॉर्टर साइड है, तो ये क्या है हमारी यहाँ पे ब्रेथ। गॉट इट? एंड एज वी नो दैट every quadrilateral has two diagonals. Okay, so PR and QS are the diagonal of rectangle PQRS. Okay, so जो डायगनल है वो 60 मीटर्स लार्जर है शॉर्टर साइड से, और जो लॉन्गर साइड है यानी कि जो लेंथ है वो शॉर्टर साइड से 30 मीटर्स लार्जर है। गॉट इट? एंड हमको यहाँ पे पता लगाना है कि उसकी साइड्स क्या है, यानी कि लेंथ और ब्रेथ हमको यहाँ पे कैलकुलेट करनी है। ओके, सो वी डोंट नो व्हाट इज द लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ ऑफ द रेक्टेंगुलर फील्ड, सो हियर वी विल सपोज दैट लेट द शॉर्टर साइड बी equals to x meter. Okay, here you can also write let the breadth of the rectangular field be equals to, आप यहाँ पे breadth भी मेंशन कर सकते हैं। ओके, that is equals to x meter. Then the larger side means length is equals to x plus 30 meter, because it is given in the question larger side or longer side is 30 meters more than its breadth. Okay, the diagonal of the rectangular field B equals to x plus 60 meters. Okay, because it is given in the question the diagonal is 60 meters longer than its shorter side. Okay, so यहाँ पे x plus 60 मीटर हो जाएगा क्या इसका diagonal. So here as I mentioned that PR is diagonal, so it is x plus 60. Okay, and SR is larger side, so this is x plus 30, and PS is shorter side, this is x, and everything is in meter. Okay, now as we can see that this is 90 डिग्री एंगल। जो रेक्टेंगल होता है उसके ऑल एंगल्स जो होते हैं वो 90 डिग्री के होते हैं। ओके, तो ये कितने का हो जाएगा यहाँ पे 90 का। इफ एस इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री, नाउ वी कैन सी दैट पी एस आर इज अ राइट एंगल्ड ट्राइंगल। जो पी एस आर जो है वो कैसा है, राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल। सो हेयर वी कैन राइट बाय यूजिंग या और वी कैन राइट ऑन अप्लाइंग Pythagoras theorem in triangle PSR. ओके, जब ये राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल है देन वी कैन इजीली अप्लाई पाइथागोरस थ्योरम। इन पाइथागोरस थ्योरम एज वी नो दैट h square means square of hypotenuse. Okay, h is here hypotenuse, square of hypotenuse is equals to square of its perpendicular plus square of its base. Okay, so here hypotenuse is PR, so square of PR is equals to square of perpendicular, so perpendicular is PS, square of PS plus square of base is SR, square of SR. As we can see that PR is equals to x plus 30, so x plus 30 का whole square is equals to PS is x, so x square plus SR is x plus 30, so whole square of x plus 30. Okay, so we know that what is the whole square of a plus b? So whole square of a plus b is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, so here also this is in the form of whole square of a plus b, and this is also in the form of whole square of a plus b. So here is x and b is 60. So x square plus square of 60 multiplied by 60, that is equals to 3600 plus 2ab. So 2 multiplied by a is x and b is 60. Okay, is equals to x square, this is x square plus whole square of x plus 30. So square of x plus what is the square of 30, that is 900. Okay, plus 2ab, 2 multiply a is x and b multiply by b is 30. Okay, now solve it again. So this is x square plus this is 2 multiply by 6, that is 12, 120x plus 3600 is equals to, this is x square, this is x square, so this is equals to 2x square. Okay, and 3 2 ja 6, this is x multiply by x, 60x plus 900. Okay, now transfer all values from LHS to RHS. ये LHS में जो वैल्यूज हैं इनको हम RHS में ट्रांसफ़र करते हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 60x प्लस 900. ओके, सो ये सारी वैल्यू पॉजिटिव हैं. जब ये LHS में से RHS में जाएंगी तो दे बिकम नेगेटिव. ओके, माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 120x minus 3600 is equals to 0. Okay, so now subtract. So 2x square is positive minus x square is remaining, and here this is plus 60x and this is minus 120x, minus 60 remaining, and here this is 900 and this is minus 3600 minus 2700 is remaining. Okay, so write it down here. X square minus 60x minus 2700 equals to 0. So now we got a quadratic equation. So we can solve this equation by any one of the method which I have told you. One is factorization method, second one is completing the square method, third one is quadratic formula. Okay, so I am going to solve this question by factorization method. So on solving our equation by factorization method. Okay, so here as we can see that this is A is 1 and C is 2700. So 1 multiplied by minus 2700 equals to minus 2700. Okay, now I have to split 60x in this way. If we multiply splitting term, so it will come equals to minus 2700, and if we add the splitting term, so it will come equals to minus 60x. Okay, मीन्स इसको मुझे 2 पार्ट्स में अब यहाँ पे स्प्लिट करना है. सो 1 if you split, so we will get 2 term. One is minus 90x. Okay, second one is plus 30x minus 2700 equals to 0. See, if we multiply minus 90 by 30, okay, so minus 90 multiplied by 30, that is equals to minus 2700. Okay, so एक सिचुएशन यहाँ पे सेटिस्फाई हो गई. सेकेंड माइनस 90 प्लस 30 माइनस 60 ही होता है. तो जो मैं स्प्लिट किया है वो मैंने करेक्ट किया है. ओके, नाउ मेक पेयर्स. So from here I can take x common from x square. So x minus 90 is remaining, plus from here I can take 30 common. Here x minus 90 is remaining. Now we will write x with 30. So x plus 30 and x minus 90 equals to 0. Okay, so x plus 30 equals to 0 and x equals to minus 30 and x minus 90 equals to 0 and x equals to 90. So we got two values of x. First is minus 30, second one is plus 90. So minus 30 cannot be possible because the side of any rectangle cannot be negative. किसी भी रेक्टेंगल की जो साइड है वो नेगेटिव नहीं हो सकती. तो वी कैन राइट minus 30 is not possible because the side of a rectangle cannot be equal to negative. Okay, so shorter side is equals to 90 because we have supposed let the shorter side be equals to x meter. So shorter side equals to 90 meter, diagonal equals to x plus 60 equals to 90 plus 60, it means equals to 150 meter, and longer side is equals to x plus 30, that is equals to 90 plus 30, it means 120 मीटर. ओके, 30 यहाँ पे क्यों ऐड किया है? क्योंकि लॉन्गर साइड जो थी वो शॉर्टर साइड से 30 मीटर लार्ज थी, और यहाँ 60 ऐड क्यों किया है? क्योंकि डायगोनल जो था वो शॉर्टर साइड से 60 मीटर लार्ज था. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड द क्वेश्चन. नाउ कम टू द होमवर्क. ओके, सो देयर आर 3 क्वेश्चन इन योर होमवर्क. फर्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 and question number 8. Okay, in exercise 4.3 your today's homework is question number 5, question number 7 and question number 8. Okay, thank you and have a good day.